All right, now what we're going to do is talk about the EasyRecipe plugin. Remember, the EasyRecipe plugin gives you this nice recipe section here where you can put, prep time, cook time, total time, the ingredients, instructions. It's nice because it allows you to add a print button and a reviews, stars. So it gives you a lot of cool things. So I definitely recommend that you use this. And setting it up is really fairly simple. All you're going to do is come down to wherever you want the recipe to be. In this case, I'm just going to put it at the bottom. Okay, so I just put my mouse here and I hit enter, just like any other program, Word or whatever. You're going to have this little guy here with the little chef's hat on. And if you notice, if I hover over it, it says add an easy recipe. So all you're going to do is click that. A box is going to pop up. This is really simple. The recipe name will be there. You can put author if you want to put your name in there or whatever. I can tell you that you're probably not going to use some of this stuff in here. You can write a summary, about the recipe, whatever. And then and this will basically just be a summary of, the recipe. She's not using it here. A lot of people don't use it, but it's there if you'd like. Now, this box is for the ingredients. And each ingredient, as it says here, it's going to be one per line. And you don't have to number it. It does, it kind of makes it all formatted for you. So you may say something like 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 what is it, tablespoon what of butter. Let me see, that's not how you write it. And then down in this box you're going to put the instructions. So you're going to just write how to cook the recipe. It's pretty simple. Blah 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 blah. Prep time 5 mins. Cook time 20, and you can put minutes in there. I'm just doing it. And this is the yield. So yeah, you can put, you guys know what your recipes are going to be. Now you're going to click next, and this photo, it's not going to allow you to add a photo unless you pay. So don't worry about this right now. Just click next. You can ignore all this stuff. If you want to add a note, you can add a note. You don't have to. And then all you're going to do is click add recipe. It's going to look like this, a blue box. But when you save it, and you come back and refresh, you'll see that it's all right in here. As I said, the paid version gives you the image here. It isn't necessary at this point. Let's just get your blog up and we'll worry about that later. You can see the prep time, the cook time, the total time. And if you need to come back and edit it, all you got to do is click it. And then come in here and do whatever you need to do. And so some of these things here are for the plus. Don't worry about it. As I said, this will be good enough for now.